The world of artificial intelligence is no stranger to competition. It's a high-stakes race where the brightest minds and biggest companies battle for supremacy. But things just got a whole lot more interesting. The rivalry between OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, and its secretive competitor DeepSeek has exploded into a full-blown controversy. OpenAI, once the undisputed leader, finds itself challenged like never before. DeepSeek, a relative newcomer, seemingly emerged from the shadows with a language model eerily similar to ChatGPT. The tech community is buzzing with speculation. Did DeepSeek achieve a technological miracle? Or did they take a shortcut, perhaps even stealing OpenAI's intellectual property? The implications are huge. This isn't just about who has the best chatbot. It's about trust, innovation, and the very future of artificial intelligence. Should we fear a future where corporate espionage dictates the pace of progress? Or will this controversy lead to even greater breakthroughs as companies push the boundaries of what's possible? One thing is certain, the stakes have never been higher. Buckle up, folks. This is about to get wild. DeepSeek burst onto the scene seemingly out of nowhere. Their language model, dubbed Mimic, displayed capabilities eerily similar to ChatGPT. The tech world was stunned. How could a company with no prior track record in AI suddenly rival the industry giant? Whispers of foul play began to circulate. Some experts pointed to the uncanny resemblance between Mimic and ChatGPT's output, suggesting that DeepSeek may have somehow gotten their hands on OpenAI's proprietary code. Others dismissed these claims as mere speculation, arguing that DeepSeek's achievement, while impressive, could be the result of convergent evolution in AI development. The controversy only deepened when journalists uncovered several high-profile departures from OpenAI to DeepSeek in the months leading up to Mimic's launch. Coincidence? Perhaps. But the timing was certainly suspicious. As the evidence mounted, the question on everyone's mind was, had DeepSeek crossed the line from healthy competition to outright theft? The answer, it seemed, would have major implications for the entire AI industry. The allegations against DeepSeek were serious, and the company's response was surprisingly muted. They issued a brief statement denying any wrongdoing, but offered no concrete evidence to refute the claims. This only fueled the fire, leading to a media frenzy and intense scrutiny from industry watchdogs. OpenAI, for their part, remained relatively silent at first, perhaps hesitant to engage in a public battle that could damage their reputation. However, as the pressure mounted, they finally broke their silence, announcing that they were launching an internal investigation into the matter. The legal world watched with bated breath. If OpenAI found evidence to support their claims of intellectual property theft, they would have a strong case against DeepSeek. Such a lawsuit could have far-reaching consequences, potentially setting a precedent for how intellectual property rights are protected in the rapidly evolving field of AI. Meanwhile, the controversy sparked a broader debate about the ethical considerations of AI development. Should there be stricter regulations to prevent the theft of intellectual property, or would such regulations stifle innovation? The answers to these questions would shape the future of artificial intelligence for years to come. The gloves were off. OpenAI, after weeks of internal investigation, went on the offensive. They filed a lawsuit against DeepSeek, alleging not just intellectual property theft but also corporate espionage and unfair competition. The lawsuit sent shockwaves through the tech world. OpenAI's legal team presented a compelling case, claiming that DeepSeek's Mimic model contained proprietary code that could only have been obtained through illegal means. They pointed to the suspicious timing of DeepSeek's breakthrough, the exodus of OpenAI employees to their competitor, and technical analysis of the two language models that revealed undeniable similarities. DeepSeek, now facing a legal battle that could make or break the company, maintained their innocence. They argued that any resemblance between their technology and OpenAI's was purely coincidental, a result of independent research and development. But their denials rang hollow to many in the industry. The lawsuit became a media sensation, with each new development splashed across headlines worldwide. The outcome of this legal battle would determine more than just the fate of two companies. It would set a precedent for the future of AI development, influencing how companies protect their innovations and collaborate in a fiercely competitive landscape. And then there was one. The unexpected champion emerges. As the legal battle raged between OpenAI and DeepSeek, a new player emerged from the shadows, one that would forever alter the landscape of artificial intelligence. A collaborative project spearheaded by a global network of independent researchers and open-source advocates announced the creation of a new AI model, Elysium. Elysium wasn't built in a corporate lab, shrouded in secrecy and driven by profit. It was the result of a radical experiment in open collaboration, with thousands of individuals from around the world contributing their time, expertise, and code to create an AI for the common good. The results were astonishing. Elysium surpassed both ChatGPT and Mimic in every benchmark, demonstrating an unprecedented level of language processing, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. The world was awestruck. A beacon of transparency in a world of secrets. The emergence of Elysium, built on a foundation of openness and collaboration, stood in stark contrast to the cutthroat competition and alleged espionage that had come to define the AI industry. It was a powerful testament to the potential of collective intelligence and a resounding rejection of the secrecy that had long stifled innovation. Elysium's code, unlike that of its predecessors, was made freely available to the public. Anyone could examine its inner workings, contribute to its development, or build upon its foundation. This radical transparency not only fostered trust, but also accelerated the pace of progress. With thousands of minds working together, improvements and breakthroughs came at an unprecedented rate. The open and collaborative approach of Elysium had another significant advantage: it mitigated the risk of bias. By drawing on the diverse perspectives and experiences of a global community, Elysium was less likely to reflect the prejudices and blind spots that often creep into AI systems developed within the confines of a single company or culture. The future of AI collaboration versus competition. The stunning success of Elysium sent shockwaves through the AI industry, forcing companies like OpenAI and DeepSeek to reconsider their strategies. Was the future of AI truly in open collaboration, or was there still a place for healthy competition? The debate raged on. Proponents of open collaboration argued that the rapid progress of Elysium demonstrated the power of collective intelligence. They envisioned a future where AI development was no longer dominated by a handful of powerful corporations, but rather driven by a global community of researchers, developers, and enthusiasts. Others remained skeptical. They argued that competition was essential for driving innovation, pushing companies to constantly improve their products, and push the boundaries of what's possible. They feared that excessive collaboration could lead to stagnation, stifling the creativity and risk-taking that often lead to breakthroughs. The reality, as is often the case, lay somewhere in between. A balance between collaboration and competition would likely be necessary to ensure the continued progress of AI. The dawn of a new era. What happens when machines surpass us? As AI systems like Elysium continue to evolve at an astonishing pace, we stand at the cusp of a new era, one where the line between human and artificial intelligence becomes increasingly blurred. It is both an exciting and unsettling time, filled with both immense promise and potential peril. What happens when machines surpass us in intelligence and capability? Will they be our partners, our tools, or something else entirely? These are questions that humanity must grapple with as we venture further into uncharted territory. One thing is certain: the future of artificial intelligence is not predetermined. It will be shaped by the choices we make today. Will we prioritize openness and collaboration, ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity? Or will we succumb to fear and division, allowing this powerful technology to be controlled by a select few? The answers to these questions will determine the fate of our species. The future is unwritten, but one thing is clear: the age of artificial intelligence is upon us.